Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to hide your apps on iPhone. And this is quite simple. So what we're gonna do now is we search for the app that we want to hide. So let's say I want to hide Clash Royale. Then I'm holding my finger on this app and then let's say require Face ID. Then right now we get the option to require Face ID or hide and require Face ID, and we want to tap on that. So we do that right now. Now our Face ID was correct, and right now he will tell you what will happen if you hide the app. Now let's say I want to hide this app. This app is gone, and right now if I'm searching for Clash Royale, you see that I have only Clash of Clans. Now right now if we are going to the most right screen, just right here, and we scroll down, you can find your hidden app by tapping on this box right there. Then he gave me a Face ID, and then right now you see here the hidden apps. So this is exactly how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.